Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install RustRover on your Windows PC or laptop. This guide works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're a Rust developer, RustRover is a powerful IDE from JetBrains built specifically for Rust. It offers smart code analysis, advanced debugging tools, and seamless cargo integration, making Rust development faster and more enjoyable. Let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Chrome, but Brave, Edge, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download RustRover, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official JetBrains website. I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the RustRover download page, make sure Windows is selected as your operating system. Click the Download button to get the RustRover installer. Save the installer file to your PC. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the RustRover installer file. If Windows shows a security prompt, click Yes to continue. The setup wizard will open. Click Next. Choose your installation folder, then click Next again. Follow the on-screen instructions, select your preferred installation options, and click Next. Finally, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. This may take a few moments. Once it's done, click Finish to close the installer. Now, open the Start menu, search for RustRover, and launch it. When RustRover opens for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. Next, click the Settings icon in the bottom left corner and select Manage License. If you already have a license or subscription, choose Activation Code and paste your license key. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using RustRover for free. And that's it. RustRover is now installed on your Windows PC or laptop, and you're ready to start coding in Rust. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.